Okay, good news, everybody. And just 2 days ago, I have announcement. I had announcements recorded and said that doctor find something wrong with my tumor marker, and they have to do a full body exam. So yesterday I had a full body exam done, and the official report is not out yet. But I want to ask the doctor after the surgery, and the doctor said everything's fine. Okay, so so yeah, I also it's just huge relief as you guys can see. I'm still as strong as ever, right? So I'm gonna continue update this channel as promised, and but do take care of yourself, and I will take care of myself. Just so you know, exercise regularly, eat more healthily, and have a just to have a good mentality when you tackle things in life. Okay, so so enough about that. I want to also talk about a thing that I have been thinking a lot recently is what we can do when we are facing the so-called threat of AI, because AI has evolved so much in a very short period of time. And as I said multiple times, I work as a programmer as well as a digital artist, so I sort of squeezed from both sides, because the AI is taking a lot of fields that concern the programming as well as digital art. Recently I found out another way to tackle this problem is to tell a good story. Just hear me out. So the AI tool can help you to generate great image, to generate great video, to even create some characters, and they can even write a certain plot. I've seen AI because originally it's a large language model, so you can generate a lot of text, and you can write an interesting plot. But I think the combination of all this, even though maybe in a few years from now AI can do that, but what's the fun in that? Right? What's the fun in that if you just enjoy, not create? We born to create and experiment and do things, okay? Just to play different things and find out things, okay? So I realized that even though AI can do a lot of things in much quicker space, but you still got to create, and that kind of creativity is not distinguished us from AI, but AI is learn from all this creation that we human made, and then learn from it. Okay, so why not we just continue creating based on the tool and help of AI, so we can move the whole system forward. That's the thing that I've been thinking. Do not antagonize, or it's not like human versus AI, but we are sort of evolving to something much greater than human or AI or whatever, maybe Terran as alien may have called us. Okay, so we are sort of evolving to something higher, something more, much more efficient and intelligent than we have ever imagined. So that's my solution. That's exactly what I did. I always learn things, and I always curious about things, and always doing experiments by combining all the things I learned together. As long as I learn a little bit about it, I want to apply it and actually create something. And this in the process of creating, I encounter problems, and then use AI or maybe other tools that we use to help the internet or the human collective knowledge and wisdom to help me to move forward. That's the solution I'm currently having, is to take AI and human as a whole system as a whole, and we continue to push it forward. So as you guys may already know that I think I update like 10 or 20 videos about the time lapses of how I create my manga. It's not technically webcomic or manga per se, but it's more like a storyboard because I'm experimenting a lot recently about photography, about videography, about making manga and creating storyboard. I want to combine all this together and not only just draw manga, draw webcomic. I want to quickly apply things and apply what I've learned. You might already notice that during all this manga series I'm creating, I'm experimenting a lot using some filming technique, okay, using some of the storyboard technique, and combine the Western like superhero comic with the Eastern like Japan's like a manga style, and combine all this together, adding a little bit of storyboards, and just to, try to experiment and quickly practice what I've learned, and yeah, in the end, I think the essence of all this is to tell a good story, like, because you got to have a point that you want to convey through the medium, whether the art medium is through canvas, through a digital canvas, through animation, all that. You want to convey something, and I'm trying to pull myself out from the tutorial loop that I've been doing for like the past few years. I want to get out there and actually create something, create some products, and convey me, what I have learned, what I want to share as a person, okay? Because as I'm like in this tutorial, how I experienced a lot of loss in life, and I learned a lot, I gained a lot of love, and I realized how limited one human, one life it is. And if you just learn the skill, learn the craft, is not the art, but rather you need to go something higher. You use this craft skill as a tool, as a medium, so you can convey the message, and that message is the art. So that's what I've learned. As I said, I just want to be completely honest with you guys in this channel. So I will share what I learned, share my journey, and share my experience and what I've learned, and some of the tips and tricks along the way. So yeah, and thank you so much for your encouragement when I encounter life-changing experienced, life-changing events. You guys are always here, and this is like my secret like haven for all the pressure and all this, is kind of comfort me when I encounter like great pressure in life. I know this is the place where I can talk to you guys, and I can share experience, and I can continue to create, to learn, to share, and to hang out. Okay, thank you so much for you guys for this journey, and yeah, thanks, bye. Don't forget, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. And by the way, I upload my webcomic. Let me just show you, okay? don't just close this video, okay? I believe I upload a new webcomic called my webcomic vlog. Okay, let me just bring you guys this.
Hey, it's William. So this video.
Okay. Yeah. I'm going to adjust to here. All right. Okay. I'm going to move it a little bit. So I have uploaded this to the webcomic series, and here is all my webcomic, like time lapses of how I draw things, and I also upload all this to I think it's called Webtoon. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. The Webtoon. This is my account. Okay, this is not the final name yet. I just think about life and dance and what's real and what's not real recently. So I just named it Butterfly Dream. It's based on I think a traditional Chinese story, and it's about a story, a traditional Chinese philosopher, and a dream of like he didn't know that he is alive or whether he's a butterfly. Okay, it's great. It's a great story. You can Google it. But just I used this name as a placeholder, and as the plot develop, I maybe need to change its name to more specific. Yeah, it's just still within Jamming. You can search for it, and then I will link the link down below. Okay, thanks, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Bye.